In this video, we have explained the steps to fill SBI Clerk 2023 application form. SBI Clerk 2023 application form has been released to fill up vacancies for the post of Junior Associate, Customer Support and Sales. The last date to fill the application form is December 7, 2023. Step 1. SBI Clerk Registration 2023. Visit the careers page of SBI, that is sbi.co.in/web/careers/current openings. Click the advertisement Recruitment of Junior Associates, Customer Support and Sales. From the drop-down, candidates need to click on SBI Clerk Apply Online link. SBI Clerk 2023 registration homepage opens. Select Click here for New Registration tab. On clicking the link, the registration form opens. Enter name, phone number, email ID and security code. After successful registration, registration number and password are generated. Step 2. Uploading photograph and signature. Upload scanned images of photograph and signature after completing the registration. Step 3. Fill SBI Clerk 2023 online form. In the basic details part, candidates need to select state, official language, category, nationality, SBI Clerk Center for preliminary and mains exams, etc. In the personal details part, fill date of birth, gender, father's name or mother's name, address, etc. In this part of SBI Clerk application form, candidates need to enter educational qualification and work experience details. Step 4. Preview of SBI Clerk application form. Preview the details carefully and make changes if required before submitting the form. Agree to terms and conditions and submit the application form. Step 5. Uploading thumb impression and handwritten declaration. Before proceeding towards paying the application fees, candidates need to upload a left thumb impression and handwritten declaration as per the prescribed format. The format for handwritten declaration is given below. Step 6. Fee payment. Candidates can pay SBI Clerk exam application fee in online mode through debit card, credit card or internet banking. For SC, ST, PWT and excess, the amount is nil. For General OBC, the amount is 750 rupees, application fee including intimation charges. On successful payment of the fee, an e-receipt and application form with fee details are generated. Take print out of the acknowledgement slip and preserve it for future reference.